Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix programs not opening in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is at your keyboard, press Windows and R key together to open this run. Okay? Or you can simply do a right click here at the start icon and go with run. Okay? So in this new window, you need to type regedit. Proceed by clicking on OK. And when your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to open the registry editor. Okay, so once you're here, proceed to hkey underscore classes underscore root. Okay, once you've click this forward arrow, and this time you need to find .exe. Okay, so now it's here. Okay, just highlight it or click it so that you would be able to see this in your center of your screen. Here you can see their default. Just double tap that so that the edit string window would appear. Here you need to make sure that the value data is exe file. Again, make sure that the value data is exe file. If not, change it into this. Once done, click on OK. And once you're done with the .exe under the classes root, let's continue and scrolling down. And this time we need to find exe file. So just continue on scrolling down until you find it. Okay, just be keen on finding since there are a lot of the folders here. So now it's here, so I can find it. Okay, so once you find it, click it, and there you can see again a default. Double tap it again so that this edit string would appear. Here, you need to change the value data of the exe file into this, okay? Quotation percentage, open quotation mark, percentage 1, close quotation mark, percentage asterisk. Control C, Control V. Once you have pasted, click on OK to proceed. Okay, so once you're done changing the default of exe file, the value data of it, click this forward arrow. And this time you need to go with the second folder, which is called shell. Okay, click this forward arrow once again and proceed to open. Okay, and here you need to go with the default once again. And you need to change the value data in what we have set in the exe file. Okay, it is percentage, I mean, quotation mark, percentage number 1, close quotation mark, percentage asterisk. Okay, click on OK. Once you're done, close this window and check if your programs is now opening. Okay, unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step, where at the bottom search bar, we need to search for CMD to open our command prompt. So once the best match would appear, click on Run as Administrator to make any changes. Okay. So here, go with yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes so that you would be able to open this blank window. Here you need to paste a command which I'll be including at the description box below. So no worries for that. So this will restore the health of your computer and this will fix all the problems in your computer like programs not opening. It might take some time, it depends on your computer, but it will be worth it since it will be definitely fix the problem for you. Just have to leave this command prompt window open unless the process is done. Okay? So just be patient on waiting. Okay? Again, don't turn off your computer unless this process is done. So once you're done, let's say just have to restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.